took our kiddos on a shopping trip so they could grocery shop, check out prices, check out where to find items in the store, the whole checkout process of checking your groceries out, paying.
It was real cute how they chose their items and how they arranged it in the buggy where it was all just so like they were sorted.
And then we came to the rec center to cook the meal and follow the recipes and just do live cooking in action and see the finished product of your meal. And then we ate it. It was delicious.
They had to cut and chop and cook and then just work together to prepare the meal, and they got to just be themselves, and it was just really cute how they bonded.
We had tacos, chicken and beef, and for dessert, sopapilla cheesecake. Oh, and we had chicken vegetable soup in there too.
This is just the first of many that we plan to do to get them ready to transition out of high school. So they can live alone and they have to eat, so we thought that was important.
Life skills are right up there with all the academic skills we teach everybody, and this is things they will use in their daily lives, in the Grubhub and DoorDash age and all the fast food around us. Just knowing how to make something that's going to nourish your body and that it doesn't cost a lot, just knowing the skills, it's not very hard if you practice it, and just being able to care for themselves that way and be healthy.